Looking polished is always in the details, and I'm gonna spill all the 8 secrets that make someone look polished and put together without spending much money. The first thing is you need to style the small details. When it comes to your outfit, the small details usually makes the difference. Is what makes someone look polished and another one not polished. For instance, just tucking in your shirt usually makes a huge difference in your outfit. For instance, look at this example of this picture. These two people, they have the same outfit, but one, she has tucked in her shirt, and the other, she hasn't tucked in her shirt. And you can see how much difference just tucking in your shirt usually makes on how polished you look. Anytime that you're wearing an outfit that requires tucking in, please tuck in. So many ways on how you can style in your shirt if you're not a fan of tucking in your shirt. So you can go full, you can go sideways, you can do only frontal only or sideways only. As long as you tuck in your shirt, you will look more polished. Also, another small detail is just putting on a belt. Belt usually makes a huge difference because it has a way to accentuate your waist and make you look more defined. For instance, example, look at these pictures. They have the same thing. You can see when she puts on a belt and when she doesn't put on a belt, how much difference it creates in your outfit. So these tiny details, they can make you look more polished without spending any money. The second one is to iron your clothes. I know this one sounds so simple, but trust me, it makes a big difference. If you wear wrinkled clothes, wrinkled shirt, or a wrinkled suit, or a wrinkled blazer, you will not look polished. But the moment that you iron your clothes, it has this way of just bringing in the quality, making the quality look more better, and it makes your outfit look more polished. And it's just ironing your clothes. Have this habit of ironing your clothes, and I'm telling you, it is going to make a huge difference on how put together you look. It doesn't matter even if it's jeans, iron it. But for me personally, I love to iron everything. I iron my jeans, I iron my shirts, I iron my dress, I iron everything. And next is to wear the right undergarment. I feel like undergarment is something that we overlook. This is the base that makes our outfit look put together. If you wear the wrong bra, like the bra straps are showing through, or the bra cups are showing and at the back is showing, or the panty lines are showing through, it just has a way to just make your outfit look sloppy. The moment that your bras are not showing through, it's just a way to make your outfit flows very effortless and you look neat and polished. Undergarment, they are the base to our clothes. So I will highly suggest that you invest in different types of bras, especially there's some dresses who have very tricky, like the halter tops or the backless dresses. These type of dresses, they deserve to be worn with a very good undergarment, which are suitable for that type of dresses. So investing in different types of undergarment like strapless bras, boob tapes, sticky bras, shapewears, or you can go for seamless panties when you're wearing a very tight dress, shapewears. So these are things when you invest in and you really start with the base of wearing a right undergarment, your outfit is going to look so well put together. Next is a very tiny detail, and that is to moisturize your lips. Like lips, they have this way, even if you're not wearing good outfit, but your lips, they look soft, they look moisturized and hydrated, you just look polished. And this is a very small detail. So just applying lip glosses, you can do Vaseline if you have very dry lips, just applying Vaseline to soften up your lips. You can drink plenty of water to get rid of the dehydration, or if you have chapped lips, you can try to scrub them with a toothbrush or a scrub of sugar. That's small and just moisturizing. And throughout the day, you try to apply your Vaseline or your lip gloss or your lip balm, even if you're not wearing any makeup, but just as much as your lips, they look hydrated and soft, you're going to look so well put together. Next thing is to wear clean shoes. If there is something that people notice in you, the first thing is usually your shoes. It's a psychological thing. So the moment that you wear a high quality shoes, which are clean, overall, people will assume that you are a clean and a polished person. But the moment that your shoes, they are dirty and they're in poor condition, you will look unkempt. And it doesn't matter which outfit you're wearing. Shoes, they have this thing that they can ruin up your entire outfit. So try as much as possible to maintain your shoes. Don't repeat dirty shoes. Clean them every day. So if you're wearing sneakers and it's a white sneakers, clean them inside and outside and try as much as possible to maintain that white color. When you do that, it usually has this way to make someone look more polished. Also, if it's a loafer, brushing the loafers and just maintaining that leather color. If it's heels, you clean them and just make them look sparkling clean. Like shoes, ladies, they have this thing, I don't know, but they have this thing to make your outfit look put together, and it's just shoes. Leads me to my next point, and that is to wear clean clothes. You know, some of us, we have this tendency of repeating dirty clothes, especially in terms of blazers. We are like, oh my god, this blazer is still clean, I'm gonna wear it to work the whole of this week. But wearing dirty clothes, it has a way to just make you look less polished. But the moment you wear clean clothes, you will look put together. It doesn't matter if it's a blazer, it's a sweater, just wearing clean clothes, it's going to make all the difference. Something that I notice in women who always look polished and put together, they wear high quality clothes. Those are clothes that they don't have any holes, they don't have any loose threads, the clothes which are in good quality, they don't have any stains. So if you have stain on your clothes, on your favorite clothes, try as much as possible to remove that stain. And if it has any loose threads, cutting those loose threads is going to make a huge difference. Like these tags on your clothes, if you remove those tags on your clothes, trust me, you're going to look more polished. If it has any loose threads, cut them. And if it has any holes, I feel like now is the high time for you to replace that clothes. Next thing is to polish up your hands. Ladies, our hands, they have this way to just make you look more polished and put together. When your hands look more moisturized, they look hydrated, they look well taken care of, it just makes you look more polished. Try to scrub your hands. So anytime you're scrubbing your body, also scrub your hands. Remove the dead skin on your hands. And also you can try to apply cuticle oil on your cuticles to make them look healthy and more stronger. So applying hand creams to soften up your hands. And if you don't have a hand cream, you can use Vaseline. Vaseline also helps to restore and soften up your hands. Apply a sunscreen. Applying sunscreen to your hands, it also prevents your hands from aging up too fast. In terms of your nails on your hands, just putting press-on nails, or you can just grow your natural nails and also try to apply gel. That is a very affordable way to taking care of your nails. Next one is you need to learn to maintain your looks for long. You know, I used to be this girl. In the morning, I'm looking all glammed up, I'm looking polished and all this. But in the evening, after I'm coming back at home from work, oh my God, I'm looking like a totally different person, you know? And you're wondering what really happened in between. And I've seen it happens to a lot of people. But what I have realized is that is not maintaining your looks that makes you look beat in the evening. Especially when you're wearing a blazer in the morning and you're looking all this polished up and you're going to work. Place it well when you are around the work. So placing your blazer anyhowly, it can wrinkle up. And the moment that you're coming back at home wearing that blazer, you will look different. Also trying to retouch your, for instance, if you are wearing your makeup in the morning, obviously by afternoon, your makeup will be sweaty. So you carrying retouch products like a brush just to brush through that sweatiness is going to make you look more polished. Also lip gloss. The lip gloss that you applied in the morning, by evening, it will fade. So just trying to carry these retouch products and to retouch yourself before you come back at home, you're going to have that exact same look that you had in the morning. It's your eyebrows. Trimming your eyebrows makes a difference on your face on how polished it looks. So if your eyebrows, they look bushy, you can try to trim them with a tweezer or a thread and just maintaining that frame of a polished eyebrows. It makes all the difference. When you're drawing your eyebrows and they are well trimmed, it will make you look more polished.